Welcome everyone to the next episode of the Copilot Studio Advent Calendar. And today I will be talking about how to build your teams around when you go for the Copilot Studio implementations. So once you understand your customer use cases for your agents, you can form a team and get them trained. Delivering a large agent is a complex project with many different stakeholders within and beyond your organization. When you think about to outline the roles and the responsibility to align everyone in the project could be your internal team. It usually consists of the common role like a project sponsors, project managers, subject matter expert SME or the business analyst. Then we have a bot developers, we have an enterprise architects, and then we have a power platform admin for any kind of the governance and the monitoring activities. Then the second important pillar here is the external team. That the third party delivery partners is basically kind of the typical system integrators that lead the various activities that could have the project management, copilot development, trainings, administration, and the governance setups. And sometimes they also run the hackathon and the other, nurture events that drive the technology adaptations and change management, knowledge sharing stuff. Please don't forget the Microsoft role also into the Copilot implementations because Microsoft delivered the Copilot Studio service. You have an account team there, so probably could have the account executives, account technical strategists, technical specialists, or maybe a customer service manager there. They align on the success and the goal with the prospective customers, and ultimately they advocate for the customer within the Microsoft. That also lead the business discussions and the escalation there, and they also attend all the business calls until goals are met. Then the product team, because they build the product for us, so they develops all of the product features based on the customer needs, basically the ideations. They have the specific goals what need to be achieved with the proper timeline. Then very important here is the customer advisory team, generally we call the cat teams, that engage the selected customers who are eligible for that by providing the guidelines or some of the guidance that how to adopt, how to deploy this particular technology. Then we have a Microsoft support team. If something doesn't work, then we definitely raise a support ticket for that one. Then the Microsoft support team involved there. Then also another aspect that you have to provide the training for your team. So example for organizations, they're new to the building of the Copilot Studio agent, that training might be needed for the customers to become familiar with the technology. If you don't get familiar with the technology, then how can you leverage each and every part from there? This training can be delivered through various channels. These channels include could be technical sales professional, TSPs, Microsoft Technology Center, MTC architects, and the Microsoft certified partners. In the exceptional circumstances, engineering resources like the PowerCat team can facilitate these trainings. Then we have a couple of trainings, like example, Copilot Studio a day. That's all for today. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next episode.